Welcome aboard the original Sulocks Boat Tours. I'm one of the narrators you will meet on your voyage through the incredible Sulocks, and I'm excited to tell you about the impressive Kathy McKeil, en route to the port of Thunder Bay, Canada. This general cargo ship was originally built in 1998 and rebuilt in 2025 as the newest addition to the McKeil Marine Fleet. She is 588 feet long by 76 feet wide and currently sailing under the flag of Canada. It's one of many magnificent freighters you will see on your exciting maritime adventure with original Sulocks Boat Tours.